Future Perfect. Unraveling probability with modal verbs. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English grammar. Modal verbs for possibility and probability. Specifically, we'll discuss how to express probability with the modal verbs will, would, should, and must. So, let's dive in. To start, let's quickly revisit what modal verbs are. Modal verbs are auxiliary, or helping, verbs that are used to express ability, permission, obligation, possibility, and probability. The ones we'll be focusing on today are will, would, should, and must. Let's start with will and would. These verbs are often used to predict or speculate about a future event. 1. Will indicates a strong likelihood or certainty. For example, it will rain tomorrow. Here, we're quite sure that it's going to rain. 2. Would is less certain. It's more about speculation or imagining situations. For example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a mansion. We're not sure about winning the lottery, it's just a speculation. Next, let's talk about should. Should is used to suggest that something is likely or expected. 1. For example, she should arrive by 10 a.m. Here, we expect her to arrive by that time. Keep in mind, should expresses a lower level of certainty compared to will. Finally, let's discuss must. We use must to make logical deductions or conclusions based on evidence. 1. For example, she must be at work. Her car isn't in the driveway. Here, we're making a logical deduction based on the evidence at hand. Must shows a high level of certainty, much like will. And there you have it. By using will, would, should, and must, you can effectively express varying levels of probability in English. Just remember that practice makes perfect. So, keep using these modal verbs in your day-to-day conversations to get a better hang of them. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.